Attorney, brass tacks, ano yung pwede ikaso dito sa mga nagbigay ng dito? Tawag doon?
Sucker.
Ng protective
Protective custody.
no? Nagpasok sa isang fugitive sa loob ng Senado, tumulong, tumakas yung fugitive na yan, no? Nag-create ng senaryo para makatakas, etc., etc., obstruction of justice. Ano mga parusa at saka penalties ang pwedeng ibigay sa kanila?
Medyo mabigat ang penalties kasi it could be, pinakamaiksi na naiisip ko is 1 year but it can go as high as 6 up to 12 depende
6
sa mga
years.
aggravating circumstances. Of course, all of this is, we call a sliding scale of penalties kasi ito eh. But the range is huge because precisely there are multiple provisions of law involved here. And kaya nga sabi ko dapat bago nila ginawa yun, dapat medyo nabigyan ng medyo clear na. Ito yung, boss, ito yung risks natin dyan. Especially since we're doing this under the cameras. We're not doing it behind closed doors. So, legal liability is mataas. Taas.
Gusto lang naman kasi yung leadership change sa Senado.
Was it worth it though?
Yun yung priority eh. And they got the object.
That's $1 million question, attorney. Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Was it worth it though? The damage to the
For how long?
institution, the damage to the
And
rule
for
of
how
law.
long? And for how long
Now
will...
the damage to Senator Bato himself was worth it.
Yeah.
Sir, the damage to the institution is more... I mean,
They're that concerned?
ano, we hark back to, ikaw, tanda mo na, some of us hark back to a time when you had the Salongas and all that, and Rocos,
Tanyadas,
and Tanyadas, and
Pepe Jokno, di ba?
Nagre-reference sila earlier in the show about as the Senate of years past and how different it is from the Senate now.
And
Si Annie
now,
and si
how do
Ed.
people look at the institution of the Senate now?
It's like a mafia organization now.
Yeah, well, I have to agree based on what you're seeing online, and then we have some political analysts coming in that based on their latest studies, tumataas pa yung House of Representatives sa Senate. Like I mentioned before,
After the
I
flood
worked in
control
the Senate of senators years ago, decades ago. And I mean, that was the time of the Elder Angara. And yeah, inabutan ko din yung mga binanggit yung senator. So, but, yeah, malaki nga yung sakit na makita na ganun ng reaction ng publiko today. There's still a path back, right? That's why it's very important for the institution to recalibrate. Recalibrate nyo. Hindi naman kailangan lahat tayo tumalon sa bangin na yan eh. We swore an oath to protect this institution. The institution has to be greater than any one of us.
Yeah.